Hi, my name is Muhammad Asim Muhammad Ihsan. Today I'm gonna present about demand and supply curve. Introduction. The maritime industry demands and supply essentially to global trade dynamic. Demand are defined from international trades and commodity flows, while supply demands on fleet capacity and operational efficiency. Understanding their interaction explain freight rates, fluctuation, and market cycles helps stakeholders make informed decision. Next slide is what drives maritime demand. Global trade volume. When major trading countries like China, the US, and EU increase import and export. When US import more consumer goods, container ship traffic across the Pacific increase. For example, increased demand for electronics, oil, or food, increasing shipping activities. Okay. Next is economic growth. High GDP growth leads to increased industrial output, requiring more raw materials such as coal, crude oil, LNG, and metal. During economic slowdown, such as recession, factories reduce production, leading to fewer container and bulk shipments. Second is commodity demand. Oil and gas demand. Higher demand for gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, increasing crude and product tanker movement. Dry bulk and container goods. Next slide is seasonal factor. Grain export season in the US, Canada, Brazil, and Ukraine create seasonal peaks in dry bulk demands, especially Panamax vessels. Winter in Europe and Asia increase the needs for heating oil, boosting demands for crude and product tankers. Holiday season, Christmas, Lunar Year, increase shipping container ship demands for consuming goods. Contoh macam dia orang ada beli barang semua daripada luar, so dia orang punya demands untuk hantar export dan import barang semua jadi lagi tinggi sebab ada perayaan, ada Christmas, Chinese New Year macam tu. Okay, trade policy and regulation. Traffic or trade bans can shift cargo flow. For example, US-China trades tension cause container routes to ship to Vietnam, Malaysia, and Thailand as alternative manufacturing hubs. IMO environmental regulation, sulfur cap EEXI may force older ships to slow down, reducing supply and rising demand for more efficient vessels. Stratification on countries like Russia, Iran restrict shipping routes and increasing demands for alternative suppliers or shadow fleet tankers. Okay, now gonna move to the next slide. To the next shipping and cost freight rates. When freight rates are high during port congestion or low ships, some companies delay shipment, choose cheaper transport method, considered cargo, and then when freight rates drop, more cargo owner increasing shipment frequency. Some low-value commodities like scrap metal or fertilizers become economically viable to ship. Now, we're gonna talk about supply curve. What is supply curve? Why does supply curve slope upward? First, high price, higher profit, which mean lagi tinggi harga tu lagi untung lah benda tu. Contoh macam tu lah. Produce have more incentive to product. 3. Higher production cost and at higher output. 4 is producing more, usually require more workers overtime or more expensive input, so company only increasing supply it price. And then that's all from me. Thank you. That's all from my slide. Thank you.